And then there's Cian. Cian, you can bring your video on right now.
Hey
Cian,
guys.
from Mind Hacker, guys, he was one of our most beloved speakers at the Conscious Crypto event. He also has been interviewed on our channel several times. And today we're going to spend 10 minutes just talking a bit about trading bots before we go on and do the technical analysis for Ethereum. So I'm really grateful that you've had 10 minutes to spare with us, Cian. So talk to me about how you got into trading bots really briefly, and then what it's been doing for you.
Well, I had been working on stock trading and trading bots way back in the 2000s, but back then I was running my own company and I was actually coding all of that stuff. And then, I sold the company and kind of went away from it until I got into crypto and was playing around with it for like the last couple of years. And it kept pinging me. I'm like, man, it'd be really cool to do like trading bots on crypto because there's like so much volatility you could just clean up. But the problem is I don't have time to go and program bots myself anymore. Like, this is not the kind of thing I like to do. So I was kind of putting it out into the universe, like, hey, like bring something to me. And lo and behold, something just dropped into my lap. And it was not just a bot trading platform, but it was actually like a training program that literally showed me which bot platform was not garbage, because there's some garbage ones out there. It showed me how to use it, showed me how to construct the whole portfolio, what portion of it to hodl, what portion of it to put in the bots, and how to stay safe, as well as like how to pick like which coins to put into the bots, right? So there's a bit of an art there.
Yeah. I was over at your place on Saturday because Cian and his partner Stephanie live in Costa Rica, not too far away from me. And I was looking at the bots and I was looking at your returns on a consistent daily basis. And I was going, well, you know what? It's time for me to get into bots, which is why I brought Cian on for you.
Can I share my screen real quick, just so people can
yeah,
see?
Sure. Yeah. Let me just go here. I've got to make you co-host. And there you go.
Yeah, so I'm just going to share this one. So this is, I'm going to have to move it a little bit. So this is so these are the bots, right? So you can see one of them I've been running for 27 days and it's had 1260, so 41% return. This one here, I've only been running for 5 days and it's averaging 1.62% return a day. And that's in addition to what the crypto movements. This is like actually what the bot is extracting on all the trades. If you look at the chart
what's
here.
Phenomenal about this, just really quickly, what's phenomenal about this, Cian, is we've just had a dump and you're still in profit, whereas a lot of traders are in deficit right now.
I'm up 3% today. Yeah. After yesterday's dump, like my overall portfolio is up 3%. It's like, because they're not making money off of the market movements, like the big movements. They're making money off the wiggle, right? You can see all these little red and green circles here. Those are buys and sells and buys, right? Yeah. So basically what happens, each of these lines at the bottom are buy orders. Each of these lines at the top are sell orders. They're pre-programmed into the exchange so that even if your bot platform goes offline, the exchange will execute the orders for you.
Awesome. And hey, Cian, we can hear Stephanie in the background quite loudly.
I guess she is kind of loud sometimes.
Well, it's also
sorry about that.
Balls. Yeah, that's awesome. Great.
Yeah.
So guys, I've got a link at the top of the chat for you to sign up if you want to learn more about this, and we can send you some more information. Now, Cian, I want to talk about why this is important. You and I had a conversation this morning when we were looking at what we wanted to help people with today, and you'd said something really important. You want to help people have the level of success you've had in building a passive income in crypto because you think it's going to be really important. Tell us about that.
Yeah, like the world's changing. We all see it, right? Anyone who's in crypto knows the legacy financial system is going to implode on itself. Governments cannot keep printing money the way they are. They can't keep people locked down. We're seeing all sorts of stuff happening with the hospitals and everything right now that's like not according to the official narrative. In any case, like there's some big financial troubles coming, right? We're already seeing supply chain disruptions and stuff like that. Crypto is a way of hedging your bets and producing passive income for yourself. And it's needed so much right now because like I know a lot of light workers and you work with a lot of light workers, you know, and I really honestly believe that this is our time because we see through the illusion, we see what's happening, and now it's on us to act so that we can position ourselves to continue doing the work while the world is like going through a dark night, you know?
Yeah. So how long have you been doing this for with these bots?
These bots?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I did the training program for 6 weeks. In week 2, or no, week 1, I set up some demo bots just to get confidence. And I've got a high aptitude with this stuff, so I move quick. But then at the end of week 2, I'm like, okay, I'm going. And so I've been live in bots for 30 days.
Okay, stop right there. Within 30 days, folks, and I've seen this for myself, Cian has a basic replacement income. Not that you're going to retire from the work that you do in the world,
no,
but you could if you wanted to and live.
This enables it.
Yeah.
So like I've only put 12K into the bots. Each bot needs about 3K. I've already had returns exceeding 3,000.
Right.
And that's in addition to the market movements. So that's like actually like the bot spits the money out and then I can go and put it into another bot, right? Or I can go and put it into a HODL portfolio or whatever.
Because you didn't start at 12,000. You started with 3 and then you built up.
Yeah,
right?
I built it up. I built it up over 4 weeks as I got my confidence and as I learned how to use the bots properly. And that's like, it's important to like learn how to use these things. But anyone who's a technical trader will catch on super, super quick.
Yeah, especially if you've been doing a bit of technical analysis. So guys, thank you so much for that, Cian. More on that to come. Guys, if you're interested in learning more about this, about bots and what have you, we'll have a special free presentation about it all. But I just wanted to give you a bit of a snippet today, and Cian's got to rush off and do his amazing work that he does in the world. Again, I put the link at the top of the chat. It's about the 3rd or the 4th comment there where you can sign up, give us your email and your name so we can give you the details when we do the free presentation on how to do it and even how to get that 3,000 to begin with so that you can get in on this. This is something you want to do. Is there anything else you want to say before you skadoodle-oodle?
Yeah, just to, so you know, like we're not selling a bot platform. We're not looking for people's funds. It all stays in your own exchange, right? Nobody touches your money.
Yeah.
What what this is an opportunity to buy education so you can know what platforms to use, how to use them, how to stay safe, all this stuff. And I've made my investment and more back in less than a month. So like I would feel bad not telling people about it, honestly.
Exactly. I know exactly how you feel on that one. Yeah, which is why I brought you on. Awesome. Great. Thanks, guys. More to come on that, and I'll see you soon.
Bye, guys.
To see you again. Bye.